Okay, so let's talk about Xero's demo company. Now, if you want to learn quite a lot of things about Xero, or you're starting to use Xero and you want to understand how the simple functions and different complex combinations of techniques could work inside the Xero account, or if you're a business owner na gustong maintindihan how they could utilize Xero for their business, then the good news for you is that there is a demo company provided by Xero for free that you can utilize and test all of its functions within it. Now, within the demo company, there are sample transactions. Meron tayo dito mga bank statement lines, meron tayong mga sample invoices na pwede nating paglaruan. You can create any type of transactions inside this demo company, and you can actually utilize it on its maximum function because the version of the demo company is on the highest plan that Xero is providing. So all functions of Xero are available in this demo company, and what you can do here is you can process these transactions, test them out, edit them, and the beauty of it is that every time that you're going to be registering an account in Xero, which is for free, you will be able to have an access immediately with this demo company as well. Paano mo yun ma-access? Simple lang. You just need to click yung pangalan ng demo company dito, or whatever organization that is in your upper left hand side of the panel, and then go to My Xero. And then, once you go into this green section, at the bottom of it, you will see says here, try demo company. Now, another thing that is about the demo company is this. Pwede kang mag-change into different versions and variations. So there are actually multiple versions of this demo company. We do have a New Zealand version, UK version, Australian version, the global version, and I think there's also a US version for this. Now, if you are in the Philippines, it's best for you to try the global version on this, and you just need to click save here, and yung demo company global version will be given to you. Now, you might be asking, Sir Migs, kapag po nagawa ko na yung mga transactions inside the demo company, gusto kong ulitin yung isang bagay, or can I test it again, or can I try it again? Yes, definitely, because you do have an option by going back to My Xero. There's an option in here that you can actually reset the demo company. So if you're gonna be looking at the bottom part, as beside the change country or edition, you just need to click reset and then click reset demo. And what happens here is that lahat ng mga ginawa mo inside your Xero account will all be reset. Yung mga transactions na pinasok mo, inedit mo, they will all be gone, and as if hindi mo pa siya ginagalaw, everything will be reverted back on its original state. So if you want to test Xero and you need to have some practice account to play with, demo company is best for you. You want to know more? Subscribe.